This is the intuition video for question 1B of the 2007 MAT paper. In this question we're given this function, y equals 3 sine squared, lots of 10x plus 11 minus 7 all squared, and we're asked to deduce what's the maximum value of this function. So, first things first, let's plot it, have a look, we can probably work it out from that, right? Maybe not. This is genuinely what the graph looks like. And this doesn't look like it's going anywhere. But the great thing is about this, we don't actually have to deal with this function. We can deal with something quite a bit nicer. So we're trying to work out the maximum of this function. But the thing is, 10x plus 11, we can just replace this with x. Because any maximum this reaches, this will certainly reach, and vice versa. So let's look at this graph. So let's plot that. Okay, we're getting there. This is better. This is much better than what we started with. But I still don't like it. I'm not a big fan. But again, we can look at something even simpler. So we've got this function, but we know something about sine squared. We know it can only be between 0 and 1. So we can look at 3x minus 7 all squared just between 0 and 1. If we look at that graph will have the same maximum as this graph and our original graph. So let's have a look at that. This is 3x minus 7 squared. And this is lovely. It's decreasing as you'd expect, because for x between 0 and 1, this thing will be negative, and as x increases it will become less negative, i.e. its modulus will decrease, and so its squared will decrease. So this is a decreasing function. All we want is to sub in the lowest value of x we can, which is 0. So our maximum will be attained when x equals 0, which will be here. And if we sub x equals 0, we get 0 minus 7 squared, which is 49. So our maximum is actually 49.